When looking for friends, remember to stay away from these 7 types of people. Once upon a time, in a small village, located along the banks of a gentle river, there was a young man named Nam. Nam was a passionate and ambitious person, always yearning for success and wanting to build a better life, not only for himself, but also for those around him. Throughout his journey to pursue his dreams, Nam encountered many people, and from these encounters, he learned valuable lessons about the types of people he should avoid. 1. The person with a negative attitude. One day, Nam happened to meet Hong, a middle-aged man with a seemingly mild demeanor, but who always had a negative attitude. Hong frequently criticized everything around him, from work and life to Nam's plans. Despite Nam's efforts to create positive solutions, Hong always found reasons to disparage and dismiss his efforts. Nam spent time trying to help Hong change his mindset, but soon realized that Hong's negativity was like a wave that swept away all his efforts. Hong not only demoralized Nam, but also made him feel powerless and discouraged. Realizing that interacting with someone who always viewed the world through a negative lens could seriously impact his confidence and motivation, Nam decided to distance himself from Hong and seek out individuals with a more positive attitude to accompany him. 2. The dishonest person. At a social event, Nam met Dong, a person who seemed very trustworthy, but was frequently dishonest. Dong had excellent communication skills and often promised to help others. However, he frequently broke promises and did not follow through on commitments. On one occasion, Dong promised to assist Nam with an important project, but ultimately failed to deliver. As Nam encountered similar situations with Dong repeatedly, he realized that Dong's dishonesty not only wasted Nam's time, but also harmed his reputation in the community. After experiencing several disappointments, Nam learned that associating with dishonest people could damage relationships and negatively affect oneself. He decided to avoid such individuals and seek out those who are more reliable. 3. The chronic complainer. At a party, Nam encountered Lan, a woman who had a habit of complaining about everything. Lan constantly grumbled about her job, personal life, and minor issues she faced. Despite Nam's attempts to listen and offer comfort, Lan never intended to change or find solutions to her problems. She merely continued to complain without taking action. Nam felt that interacting with Lan did not make him feel better. Instead, it further diminished his spirit. He realized that people who only complain without intending to improve their situation do not bring positive value to his life. Therefore, Nam decided to avoid those with a complaining habit and look for individuals with a proactive and problem-solving mindset. 4. The toxic person. In an important meeting, Nam met Min, a person with a toxic personality who frequently used manipulative tactics to achieve personal goals. Min was not hesitant to use deceitful tricks to sabotage others' plans or harm others for his own benefit. He always sought to gain personal advantage, even at the expense of others. Nam realized that associating with someone with a toxic personality like Min could lead to numerous troubles and stress. He felt uneasy working with Min and decided to avoid such people to keep his life and work in a positive and effective state. 5. The unmotivated and effortless person. At a personal development seminar, Nam met Tam, a person who lacked passion or motivation in his work. Tam worked merely to earn a living and had no higher goals or aspirations. He often worked in a passive manner, showing no creativity or effort to improve himself. Nam realized that interacting with people who lacked passion and effort could not motivate him to achieve personal goals. Tam could not inspire Nam or help him grow. Recognizing this, Nam decided to seek out individuals with similar passion and enthusiasm to pursue success together. 6. The critic. Nam also encountered Hoa, a person with a habit of criticizing and finding fault with everything around him. No matter what positive things happened, Hoa always found a way to criticize and devalue others' successes. Hoa never showed encouragement or support, focusing solely on criticism and negative comments. Nam felt that Hoa's continuous criticism undermined his confidence and affected his creativity. He realized that people who criticize excessively without offering encouragement or support cannot help him develop and succeed. Therefore, Nam decided to avoid such individuals and seek out those who could provide positive feedback and support in his growth. 7. The uncommitted person. Finally, Nam met Bin, a person who was always uncommitted and frequently changed intentions without prior notice. Bin often missed important appointments and failed to keep promises. This caused Nam difficulties in coordinating work and executing projects. Nam realized that working with uncommitted individuals not only delayed progress, but also created uncertainty and instability. Therefore, Nam decided to avoid those who lacked commitment to ensure that his projects always proceeded smoothly and achieved the best results.